Alright, so to download the app, you're going to head over to the App Store and search Champions Run. It's going to pop right up. Right there, you're going to download the app. Your username is going to be your 4-digit member number, and then the password is defaulted to your last name, all lowercase. If you're the spouse or if you're the secondary person on the account, your username is going to be your 4-digit member number followed by a $S. Same thing, password's going to be lowercase last name. You can change that once you get in the app. So we're going to log into the app. I'm going to log in right here with my login details. So you'll see all of our events are right here on the thing, on the scroll. You can register by just clicking on those events and reserve an event. Click your picture, sign up for the daddy-daughter dance right there. There's so many different things you can do there. You can book your tee times, book a tennis court, pool reservations, make a dining reservations, RSVP for a gym time. You can see your statements here. So many different things, booking a cabana, junior sports, registering for all of our junior sports programs, seeing our menus, and just a lot of different features here. So to upload, change your picture, you're going to go to my profile, click edit. There's going to be a little icon there. You can click it, take it from your picture or from the library, and then upload it. Once again, it just helps our staff see who you are, name recognition. It just overall provides a better experience here at Champions Run when you have your mobile app downloaded and your photo uploaded.